Today, I'm going to show you guys how to hide app on iPhone. It's very simple. Long press on the app you want to hide. After that, then you click on Require Face ID. Click on Hide and require Face ID if you want to hide it. Click on it. If you want to unhide it, just follow the steps.